hearty welcome to U2 Can, a channel that will help you to succeed in examinations easily.
Now let us see another problem in RC transients. In the circuit shown here, you have to find the transient current, that is I of t, after the switch is closed at t equal to 0. Here another one important thing to be noted is an initial charge of 100 microcoulomb is stored in the capacitor. So before closing the switch, the capacitor is charged with a charge of 100 microcoulomb. That is the initial condition of this capacitor. So an initial voltage is impressed on the capacitor. So we have to find that voltage. What is the formula for voltage? Q divided by C, Q naught by C. Q naught is 100 microcoulomb divided by 200 microfarad, that is 100 into 10 power minus 6 divided by 200 into 10 power minus 6, that will be 1 by 2, 0.5 volt. So the initial voltage across the capacitor is 0.5 volt. Now write the KVL equation. Now the switch is closed. Now KVL equation is 15 I of t, that is the current, transient current be I of t, plus 1 by C. 1 by C means 1 by 200 into 10 power minus 6 integral minus infinity to t I of t dt will be equal to the voltage 50 volt. So you have to split this time interval, and 1 by 200 into 10 power minus 6 b, 1 divided by 200 exponential minus 6 is equal to 5000. Okay, so 15 I of t plus 5000. The interval is minus infinity to 0 on interval I of t dt plus 5000. Okay, 5000 0 to t I of t dt. It will be equal to 50. This minus infinity to 0 interval is taken as initial voltage. So V naught is equal to 0.5 volt. So 15 I of t plus 0.5 plus 5000 integral I of t dt will be equal to 50. Now 15 I of t plus 5000 integral I of t dt will be equal to 50 minus 0.5, that will be 49.5. Now take Laplace. So 15 I of s plus 5000 I of s by s equal to 49.5 by s. Okay. Now take this I of s common outside. It will be 15 plus 5000 by s, which will be equal to 49.5 by s. So I of s into 15s plus 5000 by s equal to 49.5 by s. S gets cancelled. So I of s is equal to 49.5 divided by 15s plus 5000. So already we have seen like this, that is take this coefficient of s outside 15, that is equal to s plus 5000 by 15, that will be 49.5 divided by 15 into, what is 5000 by 15? So 5000 divided by 15 will be 333.3. Okay, and what is 49.5 by 15? 49.5 divided by 15 will be equal to 3.3. So 3.3 divided by s plus 333.3. This is your I of s. Now what is I of t? Take Laplace inverse. So inverse, that is I of t will be equal to 3.3 e power minus 333.33t. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best.